Good morning students. In the previous session we have completed two sums from practice set 25. Now today we'll start with question number 3 from practice set 25. Now this is third sum. 140 divided by, in bracket as you can see here, in the bracket minus 11 multiply by minus 3, in between minus sign, again in bracket minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Now we will solve this. So as we have seen the rules, first we will solve the bracket. Okay, so 140 we have written. See here, this is the question. I have written a question again. 140 divided by minus 11 multiply by minus 3 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Now in the second step, as you can see here, 140 I have written as it is, in between division sign. Now we will solve the bracket. Minus 11 multiply by minus 3. 11 3s are right, 33. And here we will not write down minus sign, negative sign, as minus minus it becomes plus. So only 32. Now see here, minus it becomes plus. So in between plus sign and 42 we are written as it is. This minus it becomes plus. So 11 3s are 33 and minus plus 33. Again minus plus 42 we are written as it is, divide by 14 minus 1, that also we are written as it is. Okay, hope we are clear with the first step. 140 we are written outside the bracket as it is, divide by sign, then we will solve the bracket. Minus 11 multiply by minus 3, that is 33. Minus it becomes plus. So plus 42 divided by 14 minus 1, right? Now again 140 we are written as it is, this divide sign, 33 we are written as it is. Now we'll do, see here, in the bracket addition, division, minus, all the three signs are given. First we will do the division. Yes, as we have seen in the rules, multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. So first now we'll do the division. 42 divided by 14. Yes, 42 divided by 14. What will be the answer? 14 3s are 42, right? So here we are written plus 3. Why we are written here 3? Because 42 divided by 14 is 3. So here we are written 3 and minus 1 we are written as it is here, as you can see here. Okay. So first what we did in the first step, minus 11 multiply by minus 3, and this minus it becomes plus. Okay. Now in the next step, see here, minus 11 multiply by minus 3, that is 33. This minus, so it is plus here. 42 we are written as it is, divide by 14 minus 1 we are written as it is. Now in the next step we'll do division first, that is 42 divided by 14. So the answer is 3, and all other things, numbers and signs, we are written as it is. 33 plus, so here 33 plus, and this is 42 divided by 14 is 3 minus 1 we are written as it is here. Okay, hope we are clear till here. 140 divided by 33 plus 3 minus 1. Now in the bracket you can see plus and minus, both the signs are there. Now we'll see what to do after this step. Okay, so as you can see here, 140 divided by 33 in bracket plus 3 minus 1. Now what we will do first? Addition and subtraction, both the signs are there in the bracket. So first we'll do, yes, we'll do addition first. So 33 plus 3, that is 36, as you can see here. 33 plus 3 is 36, minus 1 we are written as it is. Now we'll do subtraction. 36 minus 1 is 35. Okay, once we will get the answer, once we will solve all the bracket, we'll get the final answer, we will remove the bracket, and we are written 35 as it is. Now we'll do the division. 140 divided by 35. Okay, so we'll do the division. After doing division we'll get the answer, that is 4. 35 divided by 140 is 4. Okay, you will do the division in your notebook. 140 divided by 35, the answer is 4. Okay, if you want to check the answer you can do here. 35 multiply by 4 will do, whether we are getting this 140 or no. We'll check once again. So 35 multiply by 4, 5 4s are 20, 0 here, 2 carrying, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, right? So what we got here, 140, means what? 140 divided by 35 is 4. Okay, so this is the final answer. So after solving this, we got the answer, that is 4. Okay, hope we are clear with this sum. So we have completed third sum. What we did in the third sum, we have solved the bracket first, then once we will solve the bracket, then we can do the division here. Okay, we'll not start with the division first, we will not do division first, we'll solve this bracket and then at last we'll do the division. Okay, 140 we will write as it is. So in the first step we have solved minus 11 multiplied by minus 3, then this minus minus it becomes plus. Okay, now next what we did, 42 divided by 14, that is 3 here. Now after this step, 33 plus 3, that is 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. So what is the answer here in the bracket, that is 35. So 140 divided by 35 is 4. Okay, so 4 is the final answer. Now we'll move to the next sum. Yes, fourth sum, 220. As you can see, a curly bracket is given. Now 220 minus 140 plus 10 multiplied by 9. See here, so many brackets are given. 220 minus 140, 10 multiplied by 9 plus minus 2 multiplied by 5 and minus 100 outside, that we will do later. Okay, what is given outside, that we will do at last. Once we will solve the bracket, whole bracket, once we will solve, then only we can do minus 100 afterwards at last. Now we'll start solving. As you can see in the solution, first we'll write down question as it is. So 220 minus 140 plus 10 multiplied by 9 plus minus 2 multiplied by 5 and outside the bracket minus 100. Now we'll start solving. 220 minus 140, do the subtraction. 220 minus 140 is, yes, I will show it here, 220 minus 140. So the answer is 0 0 0 here. 2 minus 4 we can't do, so here it is 12 and this is 1. Okay, so 12 minus 4 is 8 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 80. As you can see, I have written here 80. So 220 minus 140 is 80 plus we have written as it is here. Now 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. 10 nines are 90. So I have written here 90 plus, now see here, now this bracket, 2 5s are 10, right? But here is minus sign. So what will come? Minus 10, right? Minus 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10. Now here in between plus sign is given. So plus minus it becomes minus, right? So we'll not write down plus 10 here, we'll write down minus 10. Why I have written here minus 10? Once again I will explain. See here, after solving this 10 multiplied by 9, the answer is 90, right? Now this is plus, this is minus. So plus minus, yes, minus, and 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, that also we have written as it is, right? Now minus 100, that we have written as it is outside the bracket. Okay, hope you are clear till here. Once again I will explain. First 220 minus 140, that is 80. Now 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. 2 5s are 10 and plus minus minus, so minus 10 will write down and outside the bracket minus 100 as it is. Now 80 we are written as it is in the next step. Now we will solve this bracket, 90 minus 10. So the answer is 80, right? And this plus sign in between. So after solving this bracket, we will remove this and we'll write down only 80. Okay, once we will get the value, we can open that bracket. So 80 plus this 90 minus 10 is 80. So 80 plus 80 and outside the bracket minus 100 we are written as it is. Now 80 plus 80, that is 160. Okay, so now here we got the value. So we will open the bracket and we'll write down only the value, only the answer, that is 160. So 160 and minus 100. Now we can do subtraction. 160 minus 100 is, yes, correct, 60. So the answer is, hope we are clear with this sum. Okay, what we did first we'll do 220 minus 140, that is 80. Now 10 multiplied by 9 is 90 and 2 5s are 10 and plus minus is minus, so minus 10 we are written here. Now in the next step 80 will write down as it is, this 80 we are written as it is here. 90 minus 10 is 80. So that we are written it here, and minus 100 we are written as it is here. Okay. Now 80 plus 80 is 160 minus 100. So 160 minus 100 is 60, right? So 60 is the answer. So whenever there are brackets are given, first you will solve the brackets. If there are two brackets, you will solve first inner bracket and the outer bracket. Yes, in this sum also we did the same. First we have to solve this inner brackets, everything, and then we will solve the outer bracket, the last bracket. Okay, the outer one bracket. Okay, and then only we can do the addition or subtraction, whatever it has given. Okay, hope you are clear with this. So the answer is 60. Now we'll move to the next sum and the last sum from practice set 25, that is fifth one. Okay, this is fifth question. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. Now in the solution we'll write down the question first. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. Now first what we will do, addition is given and division is given. First we will do the division. Now you know the rules how to do division of rational numbers, right? So 3 upon 5 I have written it as it is. This plus also will write down as it is. Now we have to do division of this. 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. As you know the rules of division, how we are doing division? In the division we are writing the first rational number as it is. In place of division sign we will write down multiplication and multiplicative inverse of the second rational number, that is 6 upon 4. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 6 upon 4? That is 4 upon 6. So as you can see here, I have written it here, 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 6. Okay. So first we will do the division, that is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 6 will get. Now after getting this, see here we can cancel this number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. See here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, after cancelling the numbers, what we got in the numerator? 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and in the denominator 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So what we got after division? 1 upon 4, right? So as you can see here, after doing this we will cancel all the numbers, we will get the answer 1 upon 4. Just now I have shown it here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now 1 multiplied by 1 in the numerator, that is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 2 twos are 4. So what is the answer here? 1 upon 4. And 3 upon 5 we are written as it is, that is 3 upon 5, in between plus sign and 1 upon 4. Okay. So once again we will see all the steps. This 3 upon 5 we are written as it is, and we will do the division first. That is, in the division what we are doing? We are writing the first rational number as it is, and in place of division we will write down multiplication and multiplicative inverse of the second number, that is 6 upon 4. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 6 upon 4? That is 4 upon 6. So we have written it here, 4 upon 6. Now after this we will cancel these numbers. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we will get 1 upon 4, right? So we have written it here, 3 upon 5 first as it is, and plus 1 upon 4. Now we will do the addition of these rational numbers. So 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. Now see here, for doing addition of rational numbers, always we need the denominators, it should be equal, then only we can do the addition, right? So how you will make the denominators? For this sum, 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4, will do the cross multiplication. I hope all of you remember the method of cross multiplication. Yes, first rational number you will multiply it with second number's denominator, second rational number's denominator, that is 4, and second rational number you will multiply with first rational number's denominator, that is 5. So first we will write down 3 upon 5 as it is, multiply by 4, and in between plus sign 1 upon 4 we are written as it is, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. Okay, hope you are clear with this. This is cross multiplication, right? Now after doing cross multiplication, we'll write down 3 fours are 12, 5 fours are 20. In between plus sign, 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Now see here, we got denominators equal. Now once we will get the denominator equal, what we will do? We'll write down denominator only once and add the numerators. What is there in the numerator? 12 plus 5, right? So 12 plus 5 upon 20 we are written as it is. So 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 20. So what is the answer? 17 upon 20, and it is not further divided, so we will keep till here. So this is the final answer, 17 upon 20. Okay, hope you are clear with this. So what we did in this sum, 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4 is given in the question. First we will do the division. Okay, once we will complete the division, we will get the answer, that is 1 upon 4, right? Now we got 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4. Now we will do the addition of rational numbers. You have studied addition of rational numbers. How you will do addition of rational numbers? We will make the denominators equal by cross multiplication, right? So we will do the cross multiplication, that is, see here, this 3 upon 5 you will multiply with this 4 here also and here also, and this 1 upon 4 you will multiply with this 5 here and here, right? So this after cross multiplication we will get the answer, that is 12 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. Now we got denominator equal. So we will write down only once the denominator and numerators will add, that is 12 plus 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17, and in the denominator we will write down 20. Okay, so what is the answer? 17 upon 20. Hope we are clear with this. So here we have completed practice set 25, right? And now we'll see something more, that is the rule, the order of the signs when simplifying an expression. Now which order we have to follow while simplifying an expression? So as you can see here, BODMAS, that is BODMAS, means first the operation in the brackets. This you will remember, BODMAS means first we will open the bracket, B means bracket, so first the operation in the brackets, O, that is operation of multiplication, cross O means what? You will do multiplication, yes, 1 upon 4 of 200 like this. So you will do the multiplication after opening the brackets. The first operation which you will do, that is multiplication. After that D means division you will do, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, so this is the rule of BODMAS. First you will open the bracket, then you will do, for example, 1 upon 4 of 200 like this. If it is given in the question, then that you will solve first, then division, then multiplication, addition, and at last you will do the subtraction. So this is the rule BODMAS. Okay, the order of the signs when simplifying an expression, like this you will learn and you will remember this. Okay, BODMAS means first you will open the bracket. If it is given 1 upon 4 of 200, 1 upon 5 of 50, so first that you will solve. Then division you will do, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So in this way you have to do or you have to simplify an expression. Okay, hope we are clear with this. So today we have completed practice set 25. Okay, and here we have completed lesson number 5, operations on rational numbers. So today we'll stop till here. In the next session we will start with the next lesson. Thank you so much.